Isn't it nice and refreshing, Thomas?
Heavenly, Percy, simply heavenly.
I gotta say that. This is the best drink we'd ever had.
You're telling me. Whoa! Party's here, babies! You okay, James? Shoot, that was nothing. I'm going to be a daredevil today. What?
What are you talking about?
That's right, folks. Tonight's the night is when I do all our stunts.
Oh, God.
Ladies and gentletrains, James the Great and his stunt team.
Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anybody's had done for me.
Do you honestly think he could do these stunts?
I doubt it. Yeah, I'm here till Thursday. Try the deal, yeah!
You're our hero, man.
Seriously, Henry?
What?
Okay, James, you got this.
And there he goes.
Ow. Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. Good to see ya. My bad. Hey, Rick, how's the kid? What's your hood?
He did it!
This is the most stupidest stunt I've ever seen.
Well, at least we might have done the easy way or the hard way.
Well, there's no way James can do all those kinds of stunts.
Hey, guys, look what James is doing. Fire! Whoa! That's what I'm talking about! It looks like James busted nearly every part in his bodies.
That's what I was thinking.
Alright, you guys, the greatest stunt. I, James the Great, will be jumping the greatest canyon.
Jumping Greatest Canyon? No way.
Oh, yes way. Cause I need a volunteer, and I pick you, Percy. Ready, buddy?
Ready?
Alright then, have fun! I don't think he's gonna make it. He didn't make it.
What do you mean I didn't make it? Didn't make what?
The stunt.
Oh, the stunt. James!
Well, gotta go. See you later.
Get back here, you little daredevil!
This is so not gonna end well.
You're telling me.
Oh boy.